And welcome back. Let's dive right back in now here on Saturday Sports Special. It was an historic session as the Tornadoes swim meet continued at the National Stadium today. National Stadium Aquatic Center, that is. Now, William Mann of Shark Swim Club clocked 2 minutes, 34.32 seconds in the 200-meter individual medley. He finished ahead of teammate Noah Kim and Stephen Hufang of Swimmers Aquatics. The previous record was 2 minutes, 35.05, held by Dominic Lee of Tornadoes, done back in 1999.
I was just trying my best and following the instructions my coach gave me. And when I touched the wall and saw the time, I was very happy.
He also broke a record on the first day of the meet.
Yesterday when I swam the 200 flat, I just tried my best that I could do in that time. And then I broke the record, even though it was not the best I could have done.
The meet continues with its final day on Sunday.